everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if you're new, hey. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a half up and down quick weave. I'm going to start off by combing out my hair, and then I'm going to separate it into two sections. So in the beginning I did say that these are the items that you have to use, but you could use alternatives to them, such as the pintail comb. You could use a regular rat tail comb, or a paddle brush. You could use a regular brush, just like the got to be glue. You could also use like eco salad gel or any type of gel. So yeah, so right now I separated my hair into two sections. My freaking hair tie just broke, so I'm gonna separate into two sections, tie the back up, and then I'm gonna brush out the front. Now I'm going back with the pintail comb to just have a precise line. I made a bad mess. Couple nights I slept on the trap bed. Watch me boss up, watch it step and make sure the door shut. Don't get your mom touched over nothing, niggas stay armed up. So I couldn't really see the top, so you know that's like the worst whatever, but it's fine. Now I'm combing out the back, and I'm gonna put it into 3 cornrows. You could do 2, 1, or even put it in a bun, but I'm just doing 3. Niggas
funny, so I keep them from me. I got demons on me. You get locked, they screaming free to homie. They don't leave you money. You they dog when they needed money. They like bees and honey. Said she love me, I don't trust her. She still keeping seagulls from me. Riding with me, strapped in traffic case. They think they sliding on me.
That braid actually looks mad nice, yo.
Got it on me in the booth when I'm recording. Live reporters, niggas snitching cause they miss they mom and daughter.
So now I'm doing the second braid, which is gonna be in the middle section. Once again, you don't have to do 3 braids. You could do 2, 1, 4, or even put it in a bun and just put the cap on top. Also, if you don't know how to braid, you can always ask someone to do it for you.
Niggas funny, so I keep them from me. I got demons on me. You get locked, they screaming freedom.
Now on to the last section.
When they needed money, they like bees and honey.
So for the last braid, I ended up braiding all of them together into one braid, and I used a small black hair tie to just finish it off. I'm gonna take some coconut oil mist, and I'm just gonna spray it on my hair so it's nice and moisturized while it's under the cap. I'm gonna take a bobby pin to just pin my hair up so it's nice and flat. Now I'm gonna put on a stocking cap. So this pack does come with 2 stocking caps, and I recommend using 2 because the glue will seep through and get on your hair.
Over nothing, niggas stay armed up. Don't give me palms up when you frying, nigga. I'm charged up. I'm hungry like the lead in the flesh and they move.
So now you're going to want to get a white eyeliner or pencil just to mark where you did the part of the 2 sections, and this will help you remember where to place the tracks. So the hair that I used was a Brazilian Virgin Remy hair and natural loose deep waves. I'm going to start off by using 18 inches first because I want the longest to be in the back. So now what I'm going to be doing is MCG, measuring, cutting, and gluing. Measured it, cut it, now I'm going to glue it, and then just to put it on my head.
22 sit in my booth when I'm performing, riding dolly. Got it on me in the booth when I'm recording. Live reporters, niggas snitching cause they miss they mom and daughter.
I'm also going to be using a blow dryer, so the glue drying process is a little quicker. So now you're just going to see me doing the same process over and over. MCG, measuring, cutting, gluing, and then blow drying.
I got demons on me. You get locked, they screaming free to homie. They don't leave you money. You they dog when they needed money. They like bees and honey. Said she love me, I don't trust her. She still keeping seagulls from me. Riding with me, strapped in traffic case. They think they sliding on me.
So the first pack I used has ran out, so now I'm using the second pack, which is still also the 18-inch, and I'm still doing the same process.
Niggas snitching cause they miss they mom and daughter. You ain't in my life, you got no access. I know you mad stressed, I sent you mad texts. I was feeding, but now that's past tense. Don't want a black dress, girl, you getting scooped in a black Benz. I made a bad mess, couple nights I slept on the trap bed. Watch me boss up, watch it step and make sure the door shut. Don't get your mom touched over nothing, niggas stay armed up. Don't give me palms up when you frying, nigga. I'm charged up, I'm hungry like.
So now that I glued the last track, I'm gonna cut off the rest of the cap, and to be honest, I was so scared because this is the first time I'm doing a quick weave, and I thought that the whole cap was gonna come off, but I was so surprised to see that it stayed on. So now moving on to the front of the hair, I'm combing it out once again so there's no knots. Still had a little bit of cap left over, so I just finished cutting off the rest.
She still keeping secrets from me, riding with me, strapped in traffic case they think they.
Now I'm gonna put my hair in a tight ponytail and brush it to make sure it's nice and smooth. Now I'm gonna twist my hair using the 2-strand twist method, and then I'm gonna wrap it into a tight bun. For the top portion of my hair, I'm going to be using the 16-inch hair. I'm using hairspray just to make sure I got all the flyaways. Before I start the top portion of my hair, I'm just taking out my edges so I can lay them after. So for the top part of my hair, I'm taking a bobby pin after I just folded the track in half, and I'm putting it through the open side of the weft. I'm going to begin by inserting the bobby pin at the top of my bun and then start to wrap the hair around.
22 sit in my booth when I'm performing, riding dolly. Got it on me in the booth when I'm recording, live reporters. Niggas snitching cause they missed they.
Once I'm done wrapping the hair, I'm just gonna take a bobby pin to secure it.
Sent you mad text, I was feeding, but now that's past.
This is not even the finished product, but I think this is really good for my first time doing a quick weave. Diablo mami, pero como tú te llamas? So I had a track left over and I did the same method. I folded it in half and put a bobby pin through the open weft, and what I'm doing now is just wrapping it around. So I noticed that the hair didn't have a lot of volume, so I'm just going back and teasing it with a brush. Now on to lay my edges.
Fuck them, they your thoughts. Show them loving, I bet they your pop. Niggas funny, so I keep it from me. I got demons on me. You get locked, they screaming free to homie. They don't leave you money. You they dog when they needed money. They like bees and honey.
So I decided to do some very bold edges just to tie the look together.
Traffic case, they think they sliding on me. 9's on me. 22 sit in my booth.
Just look how cute this turned out. I'm so happy. For this being a quick weave, it took me a long time, like an hour and a half. So to do this hairstyle, you have to have a lot of patience. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the post notifications because I will be posting videos every Saturday. And hit the like button if this was a helpful video.